I am here at Parris RV in Salt Lake City talking with Brett. Brett, you guys are still open.
Yeah, during these crazy times, we're down here ready to help everybody, following all the CDC guidelines. If you need an RV, we're here to help you out.
And there are so many options with owning an RV, especially right now.
Everybody knows that if you have an RV, it's a great way to take your family out and have a vacation, but there's other uses for RVs. You could have an emergency preparedness vehicle, you can have a quarantine vehicle, a second home, or if you want to do some serious social distancing, grab your family and head out on the desert.
Plus, you're making it very easy on people with no contact buying.
You can shop online. We've got over 700 RVs on our website. If you want to do a FaceTime or something on an RV, you can. And then we have got a way to do no contact paperwork, and then we'll deliver it to you up to 250 miles, no charge.
Fantastic. Where can we go for more information?
We've got 2 great locations in Murray, and the best way to shop is online at parrisrv.com.
Brett, thanks so much.
Thank you.